Today we learn about Omron Plc, analog input and output, signal module CJ1W-MAD42, settings and calibrations. Now we open PLC software, CX programmer, connect PLC and upload PLC program. Now open IO input output table and settings. We watch input output table setting and all inputs and outputs channel are enabled, and we select input and output signal is 0 to 10 volt DC. Now we watch CJ1W MAD42 specifications. Module have four analog input. Module have four analog input and input range is 1 to 5 volt and 0 to 5 volt, 0 to 10 volt, minus 10 volt to plus 10 volt, and 4 to 20 milliampere. We select all analog input channel is 0 to 10 volt. We watch module output specification and function, and module have two analog. Module signal range is 1 to 5 volt and 0 to 5 volt, 0 to 10 volt, minus 10 volt to plus 10 volt, and 4 to 20 milliampere. We select analog output range 0 to. Voltage and current signal selection switch located on the back of the terminal block. If switch is off, then signal is volt input. Then switch is on. Watching a terminal arrangement diagram. Check and simulate analog output signal. Analog output data register is put value in data register 2021. Then check our output voltage. Now check and simulate analog input signal. Analog input data register is 2025. Now we put signal on analog input channel with signal generator. Our analog register is 2025. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for any kind of information.